Good morning, class 12th student. Today we solve exercise 5.1 from question number 6. Question number 6. fx equal to 2x plus 3 if x is less than or equal to 2, 2x minus 3 if x is greater than 2. Find all the points of discontinuity of f. We have to find the point of discontinuity. So we check at the point 2. Check continuity at the point 2. Write down at x equal to 2. तो ऐसे फंक्शन को जिनकी कंटिन्यूटी निकालना हो या डिसकंटिन्यूटी निकालना हो तो जो पॉइंट यहाँ पे हो उसी पे हम लोग कंटिन्यूटी चेक करते हैं. तो एट x इक्वल टू 2 वी राइट डाउन एल एच एल लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट. वी राइट डाउन लिमिट x टेंस टू 2 लेस fx that is equal to limit x tends to 2 less. In place of fx we put the value, the function which is 2x plus 3 when x value of x is less than or equal to 2. So we take this function, we write down here 2x plus 3. Now putting x equal to, when we take 2 less then we write down 2 minus h. H is a small increment or decrement. Here h is a small decrement. The value of h is 0.000001 something. So x equal to 2 minus h and x tends to 2 written as h tends to 0, because if we put in place of x 2 equal to 2 minus h, then we solve, then h equal to 2 minus 2, so value of h is 0. So limit, new limit is limit s tends to 0 and we put in place of x 2 minus h plus 3. Now open the limit. When we open the limit, so in place of h we put the value 0. 4 plus 3 that is equal to 7. Now we take RHL part. RHL limit x tends to 2 more fx equal to limit x tends to 2 more. The value of fx for the 2 more is 2x minus 3. Putting x equal to 2 plus h and x tends to 2 more as h tends to 0. So limit h tends to 0 to bracket 2 plus h minus 3 2 2 plus 0 minus 3 4 minus 3 that is equal to minus 1. So LHL does not equal to RHL. LHL does not equal to RHL. Thus fx is discontinuous at x equal to 2, or x equal to 2 is point of discontinuity. Like that, we solve the remaining part of this sum. These parts are 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
and 12. So solve all the parts. Like that we take one more part, that is 7.
x mod plus 3 if x is less than or equal to minus 3, minus 2x if x is greater than minus 3 but less than positive 3, 6x plus 2 if x is greater than 3. So in this function we check the point the continuity at minus 3 and plus 3. At 2 points we check the continuity. So first we check the continuity at minus 3. Write down at x equal to minus 3. At x equal to minus 3, LHL is limit x tends to minus 3 less fx equal to limit x tends to minus 3 less, the value of the function is x mod plus 3. Now putting x equal to minus 3 less, x equal to minus 3 minus h and x tends to minus 3 less as h tends to 0. So we get limit h tends to 0. In place of mod we write down minus 3 minus h plus 3. So the value of the mod, when we open the mod, then limit h tends to 0, this is 3 plus h. Because we take the negative sign as a common and this negative sign becomes positive, or we write down 3. So open the limit. When you open the limit, in place of h you put the value 0, so value is 6. Now you take RHL limit x tends to minus 3 more fx equal to limit x tends to minus 3 more the value of the fx, the value of the function when the value is more than minus 3, that is minus 2x. So we put that function minus 2x because we take x that is greater than minus 3. So if we take any value that is greater than minus 3, we take that function. Putting x equal to minus 3 plus h and x tends to minus 3 more as h tends to 0. So we write down limit h tends to 0 minus 2 minus 3 plus h minus 2 minus 3 plus 0, we get plus 6. Now we find out f minus 3. So when we take f minus 3, then this is equal to x mod plus 3. So put the value of x mod 3 plus 3, that is equal to 6. So at that point minus 3, this function is continuous. ठीक है. So we check at which point, at x equal to 3. इस पॉइंट पे माइनस 3 पे हम लोगों ने चेक किया तो ये फंक्शन कैसा था, ये कॉन्टिन्यूस था. बट हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, पॉइंट ऑफ डिसकंटिन्यूटी। तो अब मैं कौन से पॉइंट पे चेक करूँगा? अभी -3 पे मैंने चेक कर लिया, +3 पे चेक करूँगा। अगर मैं यहाँ पे +3 कर देता हूँ तो आप देखेंगे क्या चेंजेस आ जाएगा। +3, तो +3 से लेस के लिए हम लोगों को कौन सा फंक्शन लेना है? -2x। तो +3 से लेस, क्योंकि LHL ले रहे हैं तो 3 लेस है, अगर 3 लेस है तो 3 लेस के लिए कौन सा फंक्शन लेना है? तो x = 3 - h एंड x टेंड्स टू 3 लेस एज h टेंड्स टू 0, वी राइट डाउन लिमिट h टेंड्स टू 0 to, in place of x you put the value 3 - h to 3 - 0, that is equal to -6. RHL, अब RHL हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे तो इन प्लेस ऑफ -3 +3 लिख लो। So limit x टेंड्स टू 3 प्लस fx, लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 3 प्लस fx की वैल्यू रखो। 3 मोर के लिए fx की वैल्यू होगी 6x + 2। लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 3 मोर 6x + 2, in 6x + 2 you put value of x, that is 3 + h + 2. So 6, 3 plus, put the value of h here, the value of h is 0, h tends to 0, so we put 0 plus 2, 6 3 is 18 plus 20, and here which value comes out? -6. So LHL does not equal to RHL. Thus, fx is discontinuous at x = 3, or x = 3 is point of discontinuity. So I hope you understand the sum. Like that you solve question number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. In question number 14 we also find out the discontinuity, that is also same as the question number 7th. So solve this sum. Now we solve question number 17. At x = 3. In this question, it is given that this is a function and this function is continuous at x = 3. We have to find out the value of a and b. So we solve at x = in solution we write down at x = 3. At x = 3 we find out left hand limit LHL. Write down the LHL limit x tends to 3 less fx. So this is equal to limit x tends to 3 less, and we put द वैल्यू ऑफ एफ एक्स, द वैल्यू ऑफ एफ एक्स की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? तो यहाँ पे एफ एक्स की वैल्यू 3 से लेस के लिए हम लोग पुट कर देंगे ए एक्स प्लस 1, पुटिंग x इक्वल टू 3 माइनस एच एंड x टेंस टू 3 लेस एज h टेंस टू 0. So limit h टेंस टू 0 a 3 minus h plus 1 a 3 minus 0 plus 1. We write down 3a plus 1. RHL, take RHL. So we write down limit x tends to 3 more fx equal to limit x tends to 3 more the value of fx. The value of fx is bx plus 3. Putting x equal to 3 plus h and x tends to 3 more as h tends to 0. So limit h tends to 0 be 3 plus h plus 3 be 3 in 3 plus 0 plus 3, that is equal to 3b plus 3. Now we find out the value of f3. The value of f3. The value of f3, the function when x is equal to 3, we take ax plus 1. So we put the value that is 3a plus 1. Because fx is continuous, at x equal to 3, so LHL equal to RHL equal to f3. Value of LHL is 3a plus 1. And the value of RHL is 3b. RHL is 3b plus 3. And value of F3 is 3a plus 1. So compare these and find. We have to find out, I think, relationship between A and B. ए और बी के बिटवीन में रिलेशन फाइंड आउट करना है, तो ये दोनों तो इक्वल होगा, इसको कंपेयर कर लेंगे. सो 3a प्लस 1 इक्वल टू 3b प्लस 3, 3a माइनस 3b इक्वल टू 3 माइनस 1, 1 को साइड लेके आए, 3b यहाँ, तो 3a माइनस 3b इक्वल टू 2. दिस इज़ द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन ए एंड बी. तो आज के सेशन में यहीं तक के सम्स करेंगे. कल मैं रिमेनिंग सम्स और आपको समझाऊंगा. सारे फॉर्मूले लर्न करिए और रोज़ के क्वेश्चंस करते रहिए. जहाँ तक मैं बता दूँ वहाँ तक के फेयर नोट में कंप्लीट कर लीजिएगा. थैंक यू.